In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go live here on TikTok. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by actually opening up TikTok and making sure that your app is updated. If it's not updated, it will not work. So just update it either on the App Store or the Google Play Store. But essentially tap the plus button down at the very bottom. And once you do this, you're going to see a little live option down in the very bottom tab. Just go ahead and tab over to the live section and it's going to look something like this for you. Now from here, you get to set up your stream. You're going to add a title, choose a category, and customize things like the thumbnail or layout if you want. It really is completely up to you. But you can also switch between camera, which mine's currently not on because it's on gaming right now. But essentially you could switch between camera, gaming, voice streaming, depending on whatever you're doing. And once everything is set up, you just have to hit the big go live button right in the middle. It's kind of like reddish, pinkish. But that is it. You'll now be able to start streaming to your followers and the public here on TikTok. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.